Set parameters for one-time use. Click Recipe and enter 500 grams. Set it to 400 grams. Click 400, save, and return. In this mode, it is a pulse mode. This machine can be set to pulse mode and weighing mode. How to set it? Click Setting to enter parameter settings. There is a weighing mode waiting. There is a quantitative mode. Click Save to set the quantitative mode. Click on Weighing to enter weighing mode. Then return. If it's a split type, we usually set it to 130 grams. Set the drop value to 15 grams. Save it. Formula 2 is 400 grams. We tested. The weight correction speed is a bit slow. We increase it to 1 million pulses and save it. Accuracy acceleration is generally set to 1000. Save and return. Weighing completed. Click the pedal to send the belt. Weighing completed. Try to use the heater as a scale platform. Pass. Loosen the fixed clamp. Move it aside. First, the sensor should be relaxed. The sensor's line should be in a relaxed state. And cannot be interfered. The sensor's line should be in a relaxed state, without interference. Or, remove all the solenoid valve wires and air pipes. That's it. Place the scale platform in this position. In the weighing and quantitative mode. It acts as a weighing platform, which serves as a feedback and calibration function. Now in the quantitative mode, we test the machine. Let's turn on the camera. First, we zero the scale. Zero the scale. In the quantitative mode, we set the parameters. For the fast addition frequency, we set it to. Don't move, this is 10,000. 10,000 is the frequency in the quantitative mode. Our pulse is 40,000 pulses. First, take out the leather bag. Put the skin on the scale. The bag weighs about 14.14 grams. In the quantitative mode, we can step on the pedal to feed. And we weigh how much we weigh for the first time. We put the same amount of material on the scale. You can put it on the scale platform. It's 914 grams, and our target value is 400 grams. After putting it on the scale, it will be automatically calibrated, and the pulse automatically decreases. It's 17,493 pulses. Let's pour the material into the bin. We receive the material again. $393. In the previous few times in the quantitative mode, we had to connect 4 or 5 times. The scale will automatically feed back. Correct the error. Place it on the scale and feedback. Then automatically calibrate. Correction completed. Then we can pick up the material. Work is done. Click Stop and turn off the power. In the pulse mode, we can set the automatic correction. When the spiral feeding, the automatic feedback mode for each feeding. In the pulse mode, we can set the automatic feedback mode. That is, every time you put the material on the scale, the automatic correction can be realized. Or turn it off. We can directly control the feeding through pulses, without feedback. Set the switch to achieve automatic correction and enter the parameters. Scroll down the menu. Automatic feedback can be turned on, or turn it off. Note that when it is turned on, every time you receive a material, put it on the scale so that it can be corrected in time. Automatically add or subtract pulse values. To achieve an automatic feedback effect, you can also directly turn off the pulse feedback and directly set the pulse number to control the spiral feeding. Packing is done. How to clean the material. If the packaging is completed, how to clean the silo with materials. How to clear. First, open SET settings. Set. Click Start to start cleaning. Click to stop the cleaning. Return to the main interface. This is the video of the overall installation. The spiral feeder has been installed. After the main screw elevator is installed, put the cloth cover on, then clip the clamp on top. Secure the lower clamp. This position is exhaust device. Put the cloth cover on, clamp it well. Clamp is installed.